This is a spiky bush. Can you see the spikes? Very spiky. I have no idea what sort of tree this is. Long and thin leaves, I suppose you could call them. Oh, there's some over there as well. Oh look, there's like a little nest over here. Look. Oh, sorry. Okay, well you guys should be able to see the nest there. What's up, Peppy? The view, nice standing gum tree. Can't complain with that. Look at these rocks though. These are some pretty cool rocks, right? Some big ones. Look, there's some small ones. Look, it's Happy Dog. Hello, Happy Dog. Hello. Happy Dog. Look at how brown everything is. Like, there's some green, but it's pretty brown. Classic summer. Over 40 degrees yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. Fucking, it's very hot. Very, very hot. Bloody hot. Classic Australian scenery though, just brown. I don't really know how well this footage would. It is a bit windy. I did buy a new wind muffler thing to put on the front of my camera. So hopefully it'll cut out some of the windiness. Very, oh, look at this. This is actually pretty cool. It looks like an aloe vera plant. Oh, take it away. This looks like an aloe vera plant or something. I don't know. If you know plants, maybe tell me what this is. But it looks pretty cool. Hello, Happy Dog. What's up, Peppy? How's your life going? Alright, just walk away from me. What about this plant? Green, looks like an evergreen of some kind. Kind of a bushy complexion. Who knows? Compared to the other brown stuff around, it's a nice change. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy wildlife, you know? Just gotta enjoy the local flora. And if we see any fauna, we'll enjoy that as well. Look, it's very rocky. You've got to be very careful walking down here. Got to be careful not to step on a slippery rock and make a roll bit. That'd be very unfortunate. You know what these are? These are olive bushes. Olive trees. See it? You can see the olives there. They're a bit feral here. A little bit feral, but you know. Oh yeah, no, you can see more over here. Look at all these ones here. Yeah. A few olive trees and olive bushes or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, another one there. They're littered around the place. I think they're trying to get rid of them all. I'm not sure. Looks like some sort of burn. Maybe a fire, or maybe some electric lightning. Some lightning maybe. Cause of these different pieces of wood. I don't know. No, probably not actually. Probably burn. Someone's chucked out coals in there. Peppy, where are you? Peppy! Peppy! Oh no, we've lost the dog. Peppy! Peppy, come on! Oh, I think I hear him coming. Peppy, woo! Hello! Starting to spittle down a little bit here. It's not too bad though, it's a bit cooler, a bit nicer. Oh, look at this, it's like mossy, but it's probably all burnt now. Yeah, that feels dry as fuck. That's burnt moss right there. Should see this place in winter. Green everywhere, instead of this yellow browniness. Check it out, bit of a fir tree or pine tree maybe of some kind. Very cool. All sorts of trees around here. Some native, some not. Another olive tree. Pepper's probably found some shit again to eat. She loves eating shit. Pepper, don't eat shit! Does it anyway. He's a Not very well trained, is he? Keeps eating shit. He's definitely found something, it seems. Probably can't see him in the distance there. It's very windy now, so I'm not sure how this will work. We can see some dead trees there. It's probably been very dry. They might still be alive, but the heat has really got to them, I think. They might also be deciduous, so they might have lost their leaves, but I think they're dead. Or pretty close to it. This is the view I was telling you about. It's probably very windy, so you can't hear me. And it looks like it's a bit of a rain and a bit of cloudiness over the whole city. So we're kind of on the hill here, but you can see CBD right in the distance there, possibly, and all of Adelaide. So yeah, I'm not sure how this footage will be because it's so windy. Can't wait to get the sort of wind mufflers. Hopefully be able to be a bit nicer. Also, it started raining now. That's okay. I don't mind the rain too much. It's okay. It's fine. The rain is fine. It's very nice. It's very cooling. I'm sure I enjoyed a bit, and I'm sure Peppy enjoys a little bit as well. Peppy, you enjoying the rain? Yeah? You enjoying the rain? Yeah? What about the walk? You enjoying the walk? Peppy, do you like eating shit? Alright, let's keep going. So, just went for a walk with good old Peppy over here. How you doing? And it got a bit wet, wild and woolly, very bit windy. So the footage is pretty scuffed, most likely. I haven't actually checked it yet, but hopefully we can get some post-production magic in and see if we can make some use out of it.